काल आमकां एक इन्फॉर्मेशन येयली की ऑनलायन गॅमलींग आनी IPL बॅटींग चालू आसा म्हण बनावलीम एरियेन. सो अकॉर्डिंगली म्हजी टीम हांवें फॉर्म केली, हेडेड बाय द PSI and lower staff, and they proceeded to verify the spot. And that place has been properly verified by our staff, and then as per the procedures we obtained the search warrant to enter into that premises from the SDGOA Margaon, and accordingly he issued that warrant, and accordingly we started the raid. And that during the raid we that information has been found, it is a true information, and our staff has been detained the person who were found in that particular flat in Benaulim. And थंयसर आमकां 3 जाण मनीस आमकां मेळून येयले. ऑल 3 accused persons were Rahul, Sunny and Tejas Kumar. They are all from Gujarat. आनी ते आमी जेन्ना रेड आमी थंयसर मारली, थंयसर आमकां 2 laptops, 5 mobile phones and some other articles, all around worth rupees 2,60,000. All the materials we have seized as per the procedures and taken into the custody. Accordingly, we registered the offence under the gambling under the relevant provisions of the BNS Act.
इथे तुम्ही ज्या घरान रेड मारल्या ती रेंटेड घर, सो ओनराचेर बी कितें अशें एक्शन जावंक शकतात?
येस एब्सोल्युटली. ते जे रेंटेड फ्लॅटार तेंच्यांनी जे इलिगल एक्टिविटी ज्यो चालू केल्ल्यो, थंयसर आमी ते आतां ओनराक आमी ट्रेस केला, हू इज दॅट ओनर पर्टिक्युलर दॅट फ्लॅट, एंड वी आर इश्यूइंग द नोटीस. वी आर समनिंग हिम टू द पुलीस स्टेशन फॉर डिटेल इन्वेस्टिगेशन पर्पज.